In this demonstration I'm going to use show the window snipping tool. I'm going to kind of maybe kill two birds with one stone, but we'll do a window snip, and then what we'll also do is I'll show you how you preview a multimedia file. It is as simple as it sounds, so it shouldn't be too bad. The snipping tool is really useful. Again, everyone's got their own way of working with things. I always try and find the laziest way and the quickest way. So I go in here and type in snip, and you'll see snipping tool comes up. You can also go in and then search through your list of programs, and down to S, and you'll see that the snipping sketch is there as well. So either way is good. When you get the snipping tool up, sorry, I'll just drag it onto the screen there. You can click on new, and what you can do with this one is you can do a rectangular snip. So say I just want to get a wee picture of out of this Equality Act thing here, and I am just going to pick out age. I'm just going to draw a wee box around age, and what it does there is it isolates that. Now what I can do here is I can save that, and I can choose where to save it on my program. I'm going to go to my documents, and what I'm going to do is make a new folder. I'm just going to call it screenshots. So that's in documents. I made the screenshots folder, and I'm just going to call it age logo, and click on save. So I've now saved that as age logo. Now if I wanted to, I could go in and draw on the image and put in different things. You can click on undo and take that back out. Okay, so you can go in and crop it and change it, and it's everything you want, save it. So what I'm going to do is I've saved that. So if I want to preview it, I'm just going to go into my documents folder. Now what I did was I went into documents and I saved an image called a folder called screenshots. I'm just going to double click and open up screenshots. Oh, I've not saved it right, sorry, I'll go back and try that again. I think what I've done, yeah, so what you'll see is I have saved it in the wrong place. So age logo, that's the one I've just made, is sitting in the wrong folder. So what I'm going to do is click on age logo, drag it into screenshots and let go. Double click on screenshots and you'll see the age logo is now there. Now in terms of the way you see things in a folder, I'm going to go to view. You'll see that you've got a list here of options. Now you've seen all these maybe without knowing them. I can look at a list. Now list means that I can't see what's in it. I can go to details, that tells me the date it's been created, the type of file, the size and stuff like that. Or what I can do is I can go to large icons, that lets me see it. Extra large icons lets you see even more. If I want to see what it looks like, what I can do is right click on it, and I can go to open with. Now you've got different different bits of software you can open it with. You've got Paint 3D, Photos, Snip and Sketch, and also if you had stuff like Photoshop on your machine you could use that. I'm just going to go and preview it with Photos, and what you'll see is it opens up there, and that's how you preview the image that you've saved. Now I can also go online and get another snip. I'll use a slightly different snipping tool for this one. So say I just go on to, I'm just going to bring this down, open up a wee bit. I'm just going to bbc.co.uk. Okay, and what we'll do is we will go and get some sport and stuff on here. So say I want to get this wee headline about Arsenal. Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back in here and type in snip. There's the snipping tool, and again it's pretty much the same as the snip and sketch. I'm just going to click on new, and I'm just going to draw a box around this headline and let it go. And there we've got the image. Now again, I can draw on this if I want, I'm not going to. And I'll go and save file, save as, and I want to save it into screenshots. So I'll go into documents, find my screenshots folder, make sure I'm in the right folder this time. You'll see the age logo's there, and I'm just going to call this one Arsenal and save it. Close that off, and I'm just going to minimise my browser because I'm done with that. And you'll see if I go into my screenshots folder, the Arsenal headline is sitting there for me. Again, if I wanted to open it, right click, and what I can do is I can go to open with, and in this case I can use Paint to open it if I want, and you'll see it opens up in Paint. And again, you've got the option of going in and changing it, drawing triangles or whatever you want. Click on close and don't save it. That's how you can snip some images off the page, and also that's how you preview a multimedia file. In the assessment, you just write a wee description of, and make sure you've saved it in the right folder, which I didn't initially. Open up the folder and then choose a piece of software to view it with.